Hey, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. Welcome back to my channel, and I just wanted to come and show you my planners that I will be using for 2019. And I'm still using the Happy Planner. I used this last year, and this video took me a minute to make because I couldn't decide which planners to use. But let me just show you my Happy Planner. I haven't put in my inserts yet because I'm not sure which inserts I want to use, but I made these dividers. Let me just show you. I made them from this die. Not sure if you can see it. But yeah, I made the not the dividers. I made the tabs from this die, and basically I just folded it and then ran it through the die cutting machine, making sure not to cut through that fold. And then I just folded each one and glued it on, and I made the little added the text to the little tabs, and I'm pretty much using this the same way I did last year. I did want to change, but I don't know, it's working for me. And I just put basically just about every category that I could think of. I may add more, and this really helps me stay organized, because if I'm always writing things on little slips of paper and then I'll lose it, or it's on a sticky note. This way it's almost like a filing system. Also, if I have sticky notes, I just stick them in whatever section they go in. But let me just go over the sections. I have my planner, expenses, my meals, shopping list, and my months. My months, I haven't put it in yet, but I just have like a list of each month of the year and anything important that's happening during that month, like birthdays, important dates. And I do that because I don't carry the whole year of inserts with me. I only carry that current month. So if I want to look ahead, it is in this section. And I have my wish list, my home section, inspiration section. This is kind of just like whatever is on my Pinterest board, things I want to try, pretty pictures, whatever. Then I have projects. They kind of move from inspiration to projects if I start working on them, or if I have any notes or ideas. And some of them I made little pockets, like if I want to put things in. Then I have stuff for my YouTube channel, blog, Instagram. What is this? Website. Any promotions or sales for my shop stock. Email list, that is just like any free printables that I want to do that month. I usually email them. And my little vision section, that's kind of just pictures, again, pictures that inspire me. And then I have design ideas. That one has a pocket. Oh, let me show you, because I made this is the divider that I made last year. It's a printable, and it's still on my website. It has, I forget how many tabs, but you can see it's a little smaller. I don't know, it's a lot smaller than this one. But if you need a printable for dividers, or you just need a template to cut them out, there is one. The link will be in the description box. And I still need to like change the front up or add some new stuff. I just have some stuff stuck in this little pocket. And I'm adding something new this year. This is the bullet journal. And I'm using this mainly, like my Happy Planner, it keeps me on track. It helps me get all the tasks done. You know, and it helps me stay organized. But I feel like there is a gap in my planning system. I don't really have anything, like anything to keep me inspired, just to, I don't know, just record whatever happened that day. So I am adding the bullet journal, and I'm not going to use it so much as a planner, but just as like a monthly inspiration board. I did do one monthly layout last year. I recorded it in the Happy Planner. The monthly layout does not really work for me in here, so I will be putting my monthly layout in here along with my journaling. So it'll be my monthly layout, any journaling, and anything that I would have done in a traveler's notebook. All of that will be in here. And I may record a few videos. Haven't really, I don't know, I guess I haven't found my groove with it yet. Like, I just started, I don't know, trying out the pages. The one thing I don't, this is the Electrum bullet journal. And I was surprised that the pages bleed through so much. So, I don't know, I guess I have to get used to that. But those are the planners that I will be using this year. And I don't know, that's it. And, you know, it's kind of simple this year. I mean, it may change, but for right now, I'm just, you know, for right now, this is it. And I feel like this is pretty simple. They're both kind of the same size. Like, I don't know, that the page size, like, I'm already comfortable with this size. They both fit in my purse. And I was thinking about just switching to the bullet journal as my main planner for everything. But you can't remove the pages. So for like meal planning and grocery lists, I don't want to carry that. And I don't want to, you know, keep that. So, you know, I do tear those out and throw those away. Like at the end of the month, or, you know, once I leave the grocery store. So I may do a few planner layouts in here. I'm not sure. So stay tuned for more planner videos. And I'll have something new on my channel trying to use this bullet journal. So let me know in the comments, let me know what planners you're using this year. If you change, let me know why you changed, what size you're using, or just your plans overall. And I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching.